Hello guys, this is Forex Blender. We have decided to share this video showing you how our signal are perfect and working great.
Oh my god! Wow!
We shared this signal on our Telegram group, on our Telegram channel. So if you wish to join, you have the link on description below. And as you can see, have another pair that we trade, Crash 500. This is found from binary.com. You have the link also in the description below. You can go and check. So that broker, we have volatility 25, volatility 100, volatility 75, and you have also a step index. So you can see those are results for today, week, and monthly. So, and Crash 500 has been dropping nicely. So closing some profit there. So okay, nothing much. In Euro GPPs going against us, you have just to close that trade right now before it's late, because currently GPP is weak against other currencies. So let me forward this video and see you later.
Five minutes later.
After 5 minutes later, now we have this guy that say, hey, I'm PMing about signal for tomorrow. I say, okay, I'll drop to you before London session. Say GPP, waiting for GPP sell, wait for 1 hour candle to close, then sell, stop loss and TP. So that's the signal that I sent him before I started trading. So I replied to him and say, TP smashed, TP smashed. Okay, and break even and close some profit. Okay, hope you enjoyed the signal. So guys, everything is free as long as you join our Telegram. We have free expert advisor, we have free setups, we have free consultation, so you don't have to pay anything to consult. So our consultation is free and it's 24/7. You can ask anything and will be answered. Okay, if you want to join our Telegram, so the link is in the description below. Also we have binary.com broker, you can join using the link below. And see you guys, let's meet on the Telegram. Let's make this paper. Everything is free there. Come for free signal that are profitable and can grow your account. Thank you.